Model, 67-plate Volkswagen Crafter long wheelbase, 2.0 TDI. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 140882. MOT, the 18th of October 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Engine has been stripped and parts are back of the van. Customer previously had it refused to pay the garage for belt work. Hence the sale. Very simple repair for someone who can put it together and put a new belt on. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,750. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.